Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm actually going to go into Micro Center. Why? Because I have been going to my condo every weekend, lugging this huge thing, which is my PC build. It's a full-size tower that weighs, I feel like 100 pounds. And I feel like my back is just going to snap. And I don't want that. So I'm going to go in here, find me a mid-tower case, rebuild it today. So that way I can start lugging something that's more like 20 pounds instead of 100. Alright, so let's go in and see what they have. Okay, so what did I end up getting? I got the, let's see. So I got the 460 RGB from Corsair. I heard this case is pretty good. So let's drive this back to the studio and rebuild this PC, and let's see how it feels in terms of weight. So I can start transporting this back and forth without feeling like I'm gonna break my back.
I broke my back.
So let's drive home. Well, there you have it, guys. This build is so much lighter than my last one. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.